Thank you for attending this presentation. Today I'm going to present to you the need for a readjustment in our district technology training plan within our county. I'm looking forward to working with you and to offer this exciting new opportunity to Anne Arundel County Public Schools. Did you know that Anne Arundel County Public Schools has seen a steady enrollment increase of 5,000 students over the past 5 years? Despite this, attendance had dropped a percentage point over the past couple of years in high schools and middle schools. While the drop may seem small, it is important to do what we can as educators and district members to avoid any more lowering of attendance. Along with the increase of enrollment and the lowering of attendance, AACPS has seen an increase in diversity in its student body. Based on this graph from Maryland Report Card, you can see that the enrollment with white students has seen a slight decrease, with Hispanic students steadily rising each year. While AACPS is making attempts to create a more diverse workplace by hosting diversity fairs to recruit teachers that represent its student body, it is important that we find even more ways to reach all of our students. Our teaching styles can go along with these attempts. We need to open up our eyes and see that we live in a changing world. Our district is growing in diversity and number. However, attendance is falling. With this, the changes fall on us. It is imperative that we find a way to keep our diverse student body in school and engaged, and we can do this with technology and the upcoming District Technology Training Plan. In this District Technology Training Plan, there is one clear goal and objective that we are attempting to achieve so that we can better help our students. Once the plan is complete, teachers will have acquired strategies to utilize technology that will support student-centered learning. You may be thinking, why would we choose to focus on student-centered learning? This type of teaching is highly effective with our students as it allows for them to take charge of their learning and it's more engaging. The integration of technology with this type of learning facilitates success. With technology, learning is personal and students can show ownership of the knowledge they acquire. Along with this, technology facilitates competency-based learning as well as project-based learning. Students may be assessed in a summative manner by completing projects in which they need to solve a problem for a particular situation. With technology, students will have access to all of the resources they need to solve any problem that comes their way. Finally, technology supports anywhere, anytime type of learning. With a simple smartphone or any device, students are able to access lessons, activities, and information from virtually anywhere. From this visual, we can see that all of these actions together will create knowledgeable, skilled, and successful students. After having reviewed the benefits of student-centered learning with technology, it is easy to see that our students will benefit greatly from the implementation of this program. We have a diverse student body that needs to experience engaging content and lessons, and this training will allow for teachers to acquire the knowledge necessary to give our students a learning experience that they haven't had before. Please consider implementing this highly beneficial district training plan. Our students will thank you. I appreciate you all taking the time to consider this training plan. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any questions or need clarification. Have a great night.